Hold on. Okay.
Okay. I got a DVD. And a bag full of CDs. Now, for some reason, every time we throw a DVD into the high-speed fan, it doesn't break. When we throw a CD into the fan, it blows up into a million fucking pieces. Watch. Did you get that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. And here goes the CD. Watch your eyes. Wait, this is CDRW. Does it make any difference? Let's see.
No. Okay. Next.
It didn't break. I like Nine Inch Nails. Another Ultimate Boot CD. These seem to break a lot.
No.
Cartoons.
No.
U2 original disc. What is this? Not good enough. Oh, another DVD. So far I'm not proving my point too well. CDR. DVD, Bathroom Ballers. I hate Norton. Oh, I gotta keep this disc. I need that one. Another DVD. CD. There we go. Did you get that?
Sorta.
Okay, now it's cleanup time. I'm probably getting my ass kicked in the morning. There are CD fragments everywhere. Look at this shit. Over here. This is what happens when you get drunk and you throw a bunch of dumb shit into a fucking circulating fan. That's a CD.